First thing he's doing is a unison bend. Bend on the 15th fret on the B and have your finger on the 12th fret of the high E. Do that 5 times. Then a whole step bend on the 14th fret of the G. Then 12 on the B, 12 on the E, back to 12 on the B. After he does this, then there's a pull off from the 15th to the 12th fret on the B string. 14th fret, bend. Then 12, hammer on to the 14th, back to the 12th. The 9th fret on the G to the 7th to the 4th. Then 2020 on the G. Bend on the 3rd fret of the G, release it to open. To the 2 on the E, back to the 0 on the G, to 0 on the D, which is a pull off 2-0 on the A, 3 on the low E, to 0 on the A, 3 on the low E, to open. All together slow. And then B and E open. You hammer on from the 10th fret to the 12th fret on the A string, to the 10th fret on the D string, 2 picks, and then 10 to the 12th fret hammer on, 2 picks on the G string, and then 2 picks on the 12th fret of the G, then 1 pick on the 10th fret. Sounds like this. Then a hammer on pull off from the 10th to the 12th on the G. And go over to the 5th and 7th fret, hammer on. Then the D string on the 5th fret, 2 picks. Then the D string is a hammer on from the 5 to 7. 2 picks on the 5th fret of the G. Then a whole step bend on the 7th fret of the G. And then play the 8th, release it. If you enjoyed this content, leave another video up there you can watch next. Go to the 7th and 9th fret of the A string, hammer on. Then 2 picks on the 7th fret of the D. Then hammer on pull off on the G string of the 7th and 9th fret. To the 9 on the D, back to the 7 on the G. Then it's going to be 9, 11, 12, 14. It's all on the G string. Then go to the B string, 12, 13, 15. Then a whole step bend on the 17th fret. Release it to the 15, back to the 17.